So it turns out robots perceive the world quite differently from humans, running our dConstruct autonomy stack in the real world, which we did last year. More on that in a bit. Hello everybody, welcome to my presentation. I'm Jiayi, CTO of dConstruct Robotics. We are a young but dynamic startup focusing on using reality capture for autonomous robots. So why are we here today? It turns out solutions for mapping for human navigation are widely available. We use your apps, we use your frameworks, and we use your tools all the time. And this market is very well developed and very mature. You can't say the same thing though for robotics. So in the world of autonomous robotics, the market is increasingly growing. Every year, we're deploying more and more robots in the real world. However, the tools, the frameworks are just not there yet. They're not mature. Why is that? So it turns out robots perceive the world quite differently from humans. If you want to deploy robots effectively, efficiently, and safely, and not make them get lost, you're going to have to actually build or reconstruct a very complex 3D representation of the world, effectively a 3D map. You want to do that, you're going to have to face a lot of challenges. First of all, connectivity. It's not guaranteed in the real world. The environment is very complex, it's huge, so you have to scale. You're going to have to deal with dynamic obstacles, dynamic challenges, and all kinds of random events in the process. So this is a difficult problem. But at dConstruct, we believe we have a solution to the problem. What you're looking at here is a point cloud map of Haw Par Villa. This is a location in Singapore. It is captured and reconstructed with our dConstruct reality capture autonomy stack. This point cloud has over 1 billion points, and we processed and rendered it in real time at over 60 frames per second using our dConstruct technology. It is this sort of map of this complexity and fidelity that you require to deploy on your autonomous robots to effectively and safely let them roam real-world environments at scale. And let's see in action. Here is Gammon Construction, multinational company, construction company, smart construction company, for a fact, running our dConstruct autonomy stack in the real world, which we did last year. More on that in a bit. So what do we bring to the table? Well, we do things like design as built comparison, where we take a BIM model, existing model of your building, and then we overlay that with a scan, a reconstruction of what you scanned, and you can perform the following tasks: object segmentation, object detection, error analysis, volumetric measurements, and more. And we demonstrated that what I said with Boston Dynamics. We partnered with them and Gammon Construction, and we ran our stack last year at Cento. So we provide a whole suite of services and tools and products with our Dash end-to-end platform. Over here, this is DashPack. This is our rapid mobile scanning solution. You scan the world with this. Once you scan the world, you reconstruct the world with the Dash Explorer 3D SLAM solution, all built in-house at dConstruct. We have Dasher, our remote autonomous robot solution, which allows you to roam the world, scan, and perform other autonomous tasks. And then lastly, Dash Ops. Gels everything together, puts everything together so you can operate everything seamlessly and efficiently. Okay, so the smart construction market is huge. It's growing every year, especially in South Korea. And there are lots of key concerns for this market. First of all, safety and security of workplaces. We all care about that. Secondly, digital transformation, which is BIM. BIM model comparison stuff, which I talked about, that's also a big concern. Third one is actually automation. We all want to automate the entire process efficiently using robots or drones. And so with what I talked about before, with all the technologies we have incorporated in our dConstruct technology stack, we're confident to bring lots of value to the era of smart construction, especially in South Korea. But it doesn't just end there. We also can contribute to these following fields as well. So here are esteemed partners which we are very proud to work with to accompany us along the journey. Our go-to-market strategy in South Korea is the following. First, we hope to replicate our successes elsewhere and bring to South Korea and work with the top 30 smart construction companies to make it a reality. We also think that DCAM has a pivotal role to play in terms of mentorship and bringing us along the journey to make sure it all happens. So once again, thank you for watching my presentation. We hope you'll join us at dConstruct to digitize the world for good. And once again, thank you again. We'll take questions now.